Hi guys, thanks for entering the competition to celebrate 10,000 subscribers for this channel. Today we're going to be announcing the winner of that competition. On the left here we've got all the entries. We're just going to scroll through them. We've got 89 entries in total. And then on the right here we've got a random number generator. I've set it between 1 and 89. And now we're going to generate the winner. Number 47. That is... Oh, good name. All the good names are gone is the winner. So if you can please contact me, I will send you over your Amazon voucher. Thanks for watching and bye for now.